In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps offline. Because Google Maps uses GPS to determine your location, you can use this to travel from one place to another. However, before this, you need to download the maps offline. So if you have a limited SIM deal or you don't want to use any of your data, you can download the maps on your home network or even on your phone if you want to before you go out traveling. So to do this, you need to find the Maps app. I'm using Android 9 for this demonstration, so if you're using a slightly older version, it may be slightly different. So you usually have to swipe up with your finger to reveal the apps, then look for the letter M to find Google Maps, click on Maps. So once the Map app loads, click on the three dashes in the top left hand corner, and then from there you should see Offline Maps in the menu. Click on Offline Maps. If you've already used this, you will see some maps displayed below. If not, select your own map, click that. Then a rectangle box will appear so you can zoom in and zoom out and you can move around. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you the option to download the whole country you're in, but you should be able to download hundreds of square miles, which should be useful anyway. So simply move around the map. You can zoom in, you can zoom out and choose your location. The larger the map, the more data it will use to download. As you can see here, that's 270 megabytes, which is low. If I go over, say, London, a much bigger area, you can see it's 1.2 gigabytes in size. So just choose your location, click on the download link. It will then download your map. Once it's finished downloading, you can simply then go out in your car. If you have no internet connection, just use the Google Map app in the normal way. Enter the postcode or the zip code, and it will take you to your destination. The maps, the offline maps, I think last for 30 days, and then they have to be updated before they can be used again. And there's usually just a small update rather than a full update. So once it's been downloaded, just use Google Maps in the same way, and it will work perfectly fine offline. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.